Oh, hey y'all, it's Andy. Y'all, my little door handle here on the passenger side of my truck on the inside broke, so we about to replace it. Let's get to it, y'all. I'll see y'all here in just a second. All right, y'all. Gonna start off by popping off all these little trim or bolt covers on the door panel. I already got a couple of them popped off. There we go. And let's see, one more right here. There we go. Stubborn little turds, y'all. Alright. These two screws are Phillips head. So we're going to take them out. And another Phillips head right here. There we go. These two Torx head. So we're gonna get them took out. One. And I gotta get a longer screwdriver. Be right back. Woohoo! We're back with a longer screwdriver, y'all. That I just dropped my bed out of. There we go. There we go. Alright. This should just pop on out now. Somehow or another. Right like it. There we go. Now we gotta go through here and find all those stupid little plastic snaps and get them popped out. There we go. Gotta love the plastic snaps, y'all. Gonna pop off the winder crank here. Well, y'all, we got it off. There was a couple of choice words said, so y'all didn't get to hear that. You're welcome. But this is how it's held on. With this little clip right here. And it slides on just like this right here. And y'all see how it holds on there? You got to get something down in there between this and the door panel here. And squeeze that clip just enough to come out like that. And then your door handle pops right off. I know. Fun, right? So, Let's get this here door panel the rest of the way off. All right, there we go, y'all. That looks like it's gonna be about a 10mm bolt right here. So let me go get that right quick. All right, y'all. Let's get this 10mm bolt took out of here. There we go. And this should slide out. There we go. All right. Now, let me get you up closer here. All right, y'all. Here's the back side of the old broke one here. And this green one, green color here, that's the door panel. The white one is the lock. So we've got to move this little tab out of the way. If I can figure that out. There we go, there's the lock. And there's the door. So, now it's time to open our new door handle. Alright, y'all. New door handle. So let's hook up the green one here to our handle. There we go. Lock that back in place. And our door lock here. Get that one in the little hole right there. There we go. And lock that one back. With a little bit of persuasion from a screwdriver. There we go. Now, we're gonna find the bolt I just dropped. Alright, y'all. Make sure she works. Yep. Now, we're gonna slide these two little front clips back in here. There we go. Line up our 10mm bolt. Get it started back in there. Get a ratchet here. There we go. Snug that up like that. That sounds good to me. So, now, we get to put our door panel back on. Let's see. Alright. Put this one plastic clip back in here. There it is. Show y'all this right quick. Get y'all pointed down. Right here, these plastic clips, if they come out, just slide them right back in to the door, and there you go. Alright, let me get you set back up. We'll put this door panel on. Alright, y'all. Let's put the door panel on. Get her all lined up. And this is the fun part, y'all. There we go. Now, let's make sure your little clips are lined up. Looking good, and pop them back on. There we go. Now, we're going to put our screws back in here. Our two Torx bits or Torx screws right here. They don't make these screws easy to get to, y'all. There we go. That one in there. Oh. Of course, you know you gotta drop one. That one in here. There we go. Let's get our Phillips head screwdriver and put these back in. And of course, you gotta drop the screwdriver too. Now for our little trim piece here. Slide that in there. There we go. And our last Phillips head screw right in here. You know what I just figured out, y'all? This screw right here, the one that actually goes in the door panel, or the little trim piece right here, is different. 2 screws up here have that little washer. That one has a little bit fatter head on it. So we're gonna try that. And of course, you drop the screw again. There we go. That was it. Alright. Now, last thing is this window crank. So we're going to pop our little clip back on. Right here. See if I can't show y'all a little bit up close and better. We're going to pop our little clip back on. Well, I say we're going to pop it on. Alright, let's get you right there. Pull you around. There we go. She's in there, y'all. See how it holds it in right there? A little retaining clip. So, put it back on. All we gonna do stick our window crank back on here. Try to match it up to the other side there. There we go. And we just gonna, there we go. She's back on. All right. Let's test this thing out, make sure. Oh, all right, y'all. We are in the truck, door shut. Let's see if she works. Oh, ain't that downright pretty? See if the lock works. Check that side. Yep. Unlock. Oh, yeah. And yes, I know this don't match exactly, but it works. I'm happy. It's a work truck. I ain't worried about it matching. So anyways, let me get this here camera turned back around. Well, there you go, y'all. The door latch in my truck is now fixed on the passenger side. It's only been broke for about a little over a year. But anyways, I don't like doing door panels and stuff, but every once in a while you got to. So anyways, hope it wasn't too boring. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Hope y'all have a good day. And I will see y'all on the next video. And don't forget, y'all, if it's broke, don't be afraid to try to fix it.